Do you feel like you're stuck chasing leads while other dog trainers seem to have clients lining up at their doors? You're offering top-notch services, you care about every pup you train, and yet your calendar isn't filling up. Sound familiar? You're not alone. In 2025, generating leads has changed. It's not about just having a website or an Instagram page anymore. Today, you need a combination of smart systems, local trust, content marketing, and automation. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you. Stick around because I'm revealing a step-by-step organic strategy to bring in consistent, high-quality leads for your dog training snapshot business, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in. 1. Strengthen your local Google presence. Start by treating your Google business profile like a storefront. Optimize it with high-resolution images, videos of training sessions, and a keyword-rich business description. Include services like puppy obedience training, reactive dog correction, in-home dog behavior coaching. This helps you rank when someone nearby searches dog trainer near me or obedience class for aggressive dogs. Remember to post weekly updates and reply to every review, good or bad. Active profiles rank higher in local search. 2. Use location-based SEO landing pages. If you serve multiple cities, create individual landing pages for each location with localized content. Instead of having just one dog training services page, create dog training in Austin, puppy obedience classes in Round Rock, aggressive dog rehab in Cedar Park. Make the content unique, include testimonials from clients in those areas, and embed Google Maps. This is how you beat your competitors in local organic searches and generate more clients who are actively looking. 3. Build an educational blog with keyword intent. Most dog trainers have blogs but don't use them strategically. You need to target keyword phrases like how to stop a dog from pulling on leash, best age to start puppy training, dog crate training, nighttime whining. Answer these in blog posts, include helpful visuals or videos, and offer a soft CTA like need help with this? Book a free call with one of our certified trainers. This not only attracts traffic, but warms up leads before they even speak with you. Kaher turns social media into a lead magnet. Posting random pet memes isn't enough. Use a content strategy focused on education, quick training tips, proof, before and after success stories, authority, explain why you do what you do, personality, show your training style and connect. Platforms like Instagram Reels, Facebook Stories, and YouTube Shorts are currently ranking organically. And every post with a light CTA. Click the link in bio to book a free consultation. Pro tip: repurpose one video into 3 to 4 clips and spread them across platforms to maximize your reach with minimal effort. 5. Offer a free resource to collect leads. People won't always be ready to buy, so give them a reason to stay connected. Offer a lead magnet like Top 10 Training Mistakes New Dog Owners Make, 7-Day Puppy Behavior Fix Plan, PDF. Free 15-minute video, Crate Training Done Right. Use this to collect email addresses through a Snapshot landing page. Follow up with an automated email nurture sequence. Educate first, then offer a free consultation or training bundle. Maximize Snapshot CRM automations. If you're not automating, you're losing leads. Use your Snapshot CRM to auto-respond to new inquiries, send reminders and follow-ups for appointments, ask for reviews after completed sessions, reactivate old leads with value emails, use workflows that check in with leads who ghosted you. For example, hey name, still looking for training? We have a new class opening next week. This puts your follow-up on autopilot and dramatically increases conversion rates. 7. Build your reputation with video testimonials. Word of mouth is powerful, but video proof is even stronger. Ask your happy clients to record a quick testimonial on their phone. Ask them, what was their dog like before training? What results did they see? Would they recommend you? Post these on your website, emails, and social media. Use captions so viewers don't need to turn on sound. This kind of proof builds instant trust, and trust equals leads. 8. Engage pet communities, offline and online. Go where your ideal clients already hang out. That includes local Facebook groups for pet parents, Reddit threads like Our Dog Training, pet expos and community dog events, partnering with vets and groomers for cross-promotions. Offer free Ask a Trainer events or record mini Q&As for Facebook groups. This positions you as a helpful expert, not a salesperson. 9. Use client success stories as blog and email content. Each successful training session is a story. Instead of writing another tip article, tell a story like how Lucy overcame separation anxiety in 3 weeks. From leash chaos to calm Max's journey. These are relatable, emotional, and trust-building. Plus, they keep your blog and email content fresh, personal, and persuasive. 10. Stay consistent and track what works. Success in 2025 isn't about trying everything, it's about trying the right things consistently. Monitor. Which blog posts get the most traffic? Which videos drive engagement? Which emails get replies? Use tools like Google Analytics, Snapshot reporting, and social insights to tweak and improve. Keep doing more of what works and drop what doesn't. Remember, the goal is not to go viral. The goal is to get targeted leads who know, like, and trust you and are ready to pay for your training. If you follow even half of these strategies, your dog training Snapshot business will see more engagement, more calls, and more qualified leads in 2025. I truly believe there's a dog owner out there looking for exactly what you offer. They just haven't found you yet, so make it easier for them. If this video helped you, tap that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future videos packed with actionable tips just like this. And hey, let me know in the comments, what's your biggest lead generation challenge right now? Let's solve it together.